Welcome to Decode by Ravi. So imagine, you pick up a bottle of water, thinking it's clean, safe, pure. But what if I told you that inside this bottle, there could be thousands, even hundreds of thousands, of plastic particles that's not visible, not noticeable, but real? And this isn't some random theory. In this video, I'm going to show you real scientific research, studies happened on that, and real reports that reveal what's actually inside bottled water. And trust me, once you know this, you will never look at plastic bottled water the same way again. Most people believe bottled water is safer than tap water. They think it's cleaner, more pure, and more healthy. But the truth is opposite. A large amount of bottled water actually comes from the same sources as tap water. Yes, the same water. The difference is not the water, it's the plastic bottle. Yes, all things started with this plastic bottle, and that's where the real problem begins. With the research breakdown. Now let's look at what science actually says, not opinions, not assumptions, it's real studies. The National Institutes of Health, one of the world's leading US-based medical research organizations, recently highlighted a shocking study on bottled water. Scientists used advanced laser imaging technology to analyze popular bottled water brands, and what they found was surprising. On average, 1 liter of bottled water contains around 240,000 tiny plastic particles, and about 90% of them are nanoplastics, so small you can't even see them. Imagine drinking water, but with invisible plastic dust mixed inside. These particles can come from bottle materials, filters, and even the production process. The scary part? Scientists still don't fully know how these tiny plastics affect our health, but because of their size, they may easily enter our body. And another research is form. The Columbia Climate School recently highlighted a shocking discovery about bottled water. Researchers from Columbia University used advanced laser-based technology to study popular bottled water brands, and what they found was surprising. On average, 1 liter of bottled water contains around 240,000 tiny plastic particles, which is 10 to 100 times more than previous estimates, and about 90% of these are nanoplastics, extremely small particles that are invisible to the human eye. Imagine drinking water, but filled with microscopic plastic dust. These particles don't just come from the bottle, they can also come from filters and the water production process also. The most concerning part, because of their tiny size, these nanoplastics can pass through the body, entering the bloodstream, organs, and even cells. But scientists still don't fully understand their long-term health effects. I'll add all the research link in the description, you can read it for more details. When we look at many research studies from reputed organizations like the World Health Organization and top universities, one thing becomes clear: bottled water is not as safe and pure as we think. Many studies have found that bottled water contains very tiny plastic particles called microplastics. In some cases, there are thousands or even lakhs of these particles in just 1 liter of water. These tiny plastics can enter our body, and scientists are still studying how harmful they can be. Also, the plastic bottle itself can release harmful chemicals into the water, especially when it is kept in heat, sunlight, or stored for a long time. This means the quality of bottled water can get worse over time. Even after all this, bottled water is very expensive, more than normal tap water. But it is not necessarily it's safer. In many places, clean tap water is safe, or even better than bottled water. So the final truth is simple. Bottled water is not really a need, it is just a convenience. And in many cases, it comes with hidden health risks, high cost, and serious environmental damage. In the next video, we'll explore practical solutions to this problem and the key actions needed to tackle it. I'll break everything down with detailed explanations and research-backed data. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Decode by Ravi and stay tuned for more insightful content. See you in the next video.